Oh, hi guys. I'm glad you're here. I wanted to talk to you today about immune boosting and how it can help you keep from getting sick in the wintertime. Now I have several options here. You can do the elderberry syrup. We like to take about a teaspoon of it and put it in our tea, or just take a teaspoon of it. There are dried elderberries. We've got these little tea balls, perfect for putting a little bit of dried elderberries in it, which you can buy online or at stores in the area. You just put it in there, drop it down in your tea, and let it steep for a while. There. Now my husband likes to include tea with his elderberries. I put it in there and let it steep. And you get a wonderful flavor. It's immune boosting. We have the fire cider, which my husband showed you how to make. We like to put somewhere between a teaspoon or a tablespoon. You take it, or you can put it in your tea, a little bit of it, and it's wonderful to boost your immune system. Blah, blah. We have the honey citrus ginger tea, which has ginger in it. I like to take about a tablespoon of it and put it in my tea and drink it that way. It's wonderful. It makes you feel better. Honey is a natural antibiotic, and I like to include it with some of these other things in my tea, or even just take a spoonful of it. It tastes good. It's good for you. It even helps you with your allergies. It's local grown. If it's local grown and the bees are in this area, it will help build up your immunity to local plants. Never forget your vitamin C, and there are several ways you can do this, but just good old oranges, citrus are really good for you and help you get your daily vitamin C. You can take supplements. You can have, if you're in an area where there's pine needles, and the pine needles, the tree has not been sprayed, you can make pine needle tea. And you can take ginger and slice it up and put just a little bit of it in your tea. Ginger's wonderful for your health and your immunity. And I tell you what, doctors don't like to give antibiotics like they used to. I grew up with the saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. All you have to do, start feeling a little yucky, take one of these, or just keep immune boosting daily, and you will begin to feel so much better. There has been sickness in this area, a lot of stomach virus and colds, flus, and I tell you what, if you work around people, you are going to be exposed to an assortment of things. And for the past 2 weeks, it's been pretty yucky. So I continued to just do something every day. And I have not gotten sick. I may get sick in the future, but it won't last as long. It will be shorter duration, and I get sick maybe once a year. Also, I'd like to mention the importance of getting 15 minutes of sun a day. It's really important. You don't have to go outside. If you're elderly, sit in a window that the sun's coming in for 15 minutes. That vitamin B will really help you tremendously. I want to talk in future about yarrow and mullein and plantain and a lot of other wonderful plants for your health. Thank you so much for dropping by today and learning about all these wonderful ways to boost your immune system. The most important is to get sleep and eat right, and it is a daily lifestyle. Please give us a big thumbs up and like us, subscribe. Please share us on your social media. Please comment and tell us what you think, what you'd like to hear, what you'd like to see. Is there plants that you'd like to learn about, or health things that you'd like us to teach you about? There's so many things we can share. Just let us know. Have a lovely week and Merry Christmas. Thank you from Amen Acres Homestead.